Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's idiom is very beautiful. You work too hard, you need to stop and smell the roses. You remain too busy in your work, you need to stop and smell the roses. Do you know what is the meaning of smell the roses? It means to slow down, relax, and take time from a busy or stressful routine to appreciate the simple, beautiful things in life. In Urdu, इसका मतलब है कि मसरूफ़ तरीन ज़िंदगी से कुछ वक्त निकाल कर ज़िंदगी की खूबसूरती और छोटी छोटी खुशियों से लुत्फ़अंदोज़ होना. So instead of saying that you must find time to enjoy the beautiful life in a very simple way, you must say or you must use a very beautiful idiom to stop your routine and smell the roses. Thank you very much.